All right, I want to go over questions similar to 6, 7, and 8 on that contingency table and probability assignment. We're going to find conditional probability of randomly selecting a student who prefers, I'm going to do it this way, okay? I'll type it. I'm not going to do the exact same one, but I will say that I want to find the probability of picking a student who likes winter given, I'll type in a vertical bar here, given that this student has allergy, okay? So what does that mean? Here, my total number will not be 36, okay? The denominator for this conditional probability will be out of all students who has allergy. So don't be using 36 as your denominator this time. How many students in total has allergy? 13, right? So 13 student has allergy. Out of those 13, how many of them likes winter? 5. So the fraction will be 5 divided by 13. And the decimal will be 5 divided by 13. That looks like 0.38. Yeah, 38. So when you're doing this conditional probability, this is what I do. Like the part that comes after given, right? Or after this vertical bar, that's going to be the bottom of your fraction. So out of everyone who said, yes, I have allergy, how many of them prefers winter? Okay, so that's how you would do this. I may do one more, okay? Out of, okay, if we're trying to find probability of picking someone who likes fall, given that they have allergy, what you have to do is start by looking at the total number of people who has yes allergy. So there are 13 people who has allergy. Out of those 13, how many prefers fall? 4. All right, I have to go. All right, so for conditional probabilities, the denominator is not going to be the total number. So you're not using 36 in the bottom, but you're using the number that comes after this vertical bar as the total number. Okay, so like read it as, out of everyone who said, yes, I have allergy, how many of them prefers fall? So if you're looking at the question that you have to answer, this one right here, out of everyone who has allergy, how many of them prefers spring? Now, number 7 is similar. Out of everyone who has no allergy, so what will be the denominator for number 7? 23, right? So out of everyone who has no allergy, so put that 23 in the bottom, and it's asking how many of them prefer spring, okay? So number 7, the answer has to be 5 divided by 23, okay? So that's how you would do the conditional probabilities. Now one more over here. This one is talking about, how would you read this? So you go to the after this vertical bar. You go after the vertical bar and you start from here. Out of everyone who prefers spring. So what will be the denominator here for number 8? Out of everyone who prefers spring. That would just be 6. So 6 will be the denominator. And I'm asking, out of those 6 people, how many of them don't have allergy? Okay? So is it going to be 5 over 6 or 1 over 6? Okay? So that's how you would do these conditional probability. Of course, we're gonna, or maybe we already have talked about this. I'm planning on talking about this more in class when I meet you guys. But I wanted to publish something ahead in case you are working on it ahead of time. But if I'm going over this too fast, okay, you'll get more instruction on conditional probability in class, okay? I'm gonna stop this video and then I will come back and show you how to do these probability of unions, okay?